2025, while most people are still stuck chasing mortgage approvals and down payments, the ultra-wealthy are making a completely different move. They're not buying homes, they're not buying land, they're buying something invisible, something digital, and it's making them richer, faster. According to Forbes, over 60% of the top self-made billionaires under 40 have shifted their focus from physical real estate to digital assets. Why? Because digital assets are scalable, automated, and borderless. Real estate has walls, digital real estate has wings. 1. They're buying digital real estate. Attention that pays. Forget bricks. The new wealth is built on traffic, attention, and influence. Billionaires are quietly acquiring high-performing YouTube automation channels, profitable TikTok accounts, niche websites with affiliate income, email lists with 100K plus subscribers, online communities like Discord and Reddit hubs. Why? Because attention monetizes, period. A faceless YouTube channel generating $25,000 a month from ad revenue, affiliate links, and digital products doesn't get flooded, broken into, or taxed to death. And guess what? It scales globally, 24/7. 2. AI has made this 100x easier and faster. Billionaires aren't editing videos in their basements. They use Teams and AI tools, ChatGPT for viral scripts, 11 Labs for realistic voiceovers, Pictory for video creation, Cut for fast edits. You could build an entire content empire without ever showing your face. It's not fantasy. It's already happening. This is how top creators in New York, London, and Berlin are launching 10 faceless channels at once, automating every piece of content. 3. Communities are the new condos. Billionaires aren't just buying properties, they're buying people's trust. That looks like email lists, newsletter subscribers, loyal Discord groups, private coaching communities. A newsletter with 100,000 loyal readers can bring in $50,000 a month easily with digital offers. No tenants, no leaks, no headaches, and the best part, you own the audience. Nobody can take it from you. 4. Flipping digital assets is the new house. Flipping platforms like Acquire.com and Flippa are where the new deals are happening. Instead of fixing old homes, billionaires are buying and flipping. Shopify stores, niche websites, SaaS apps, info product funnels. Buy it for 10K, fix the marketing, scale it, flip for 100K. One German investor flipped 6 digital brands in 2024 and cleared $2.3 million. No real estate, no office, just smart systems. 5. Control and cash flow, not concrete. Owning real estate feels good, but controlling income feels better. With digital assets, you control the messaging, you control the growth, you control the income. You don't have to wait 30 years to build equity. You can test offers in a weekend, pivot when needed, and scale fast. A single faceless TikTok account with a viral pet niche in the USA made $7,200 last month just from affiliate commissions. Now imagine 5 of those, 10 of those. That's the billionaire game. The cold truth. The rich don't care about tradition. They care about what works. And in 2025, digital assets are what's working because they know owning attention is more powerful than owning land. If you're still thinking old school, you're missing the biggest shift of this decade. This isn't about getting lucky. It's about getting in early before this market becomes saturated. Digital land is up for grabs. Are you claiming your share because the billionaires already are?